Before you jump into starting a business, it's important for you to understand your market. Think of market research as a way to answer three simple questions. Who are your customers? What do they need? Who are your competitors? Here's how you can do it. First point, identify your target customers. Are they young professionals, families, or businesses? For example, if you are selling industrial equipment, your target customers might be factory owners or procurement managers. Second point, understand their needs. Talk to potential customers. Ask them about their problems and what are they looking for. For instance, if you are starting a furniture business, find out if people prefer ready-made designs or customized designs. Third point, use online tools. Platforms like Google Trends can show you what people are searching for in your industry. Social media groups and forums are also great places for you to understand customer concerns. Real life examples. Let's say you are planning to open a shop selling eco-friendly packaging in Delhi. By talking to local businesses and using online tools, you might discover that many restaurant owners are looking for biodegradable containers. That's big opportunity for you to focus on. What I would like to know is, what is your target audience? Share in the comments and let's discuss how to understand them better. Till then, bye bye. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.